What do you need to think about before you actually start an online business? I'm going to tell you exactly what I thought of before starting my online business, because I've started multiple, and I'm going to tell you a few things that I've learned you need to think about before starting that business, because if you think about them first time before actually starting out and making big decisions, it will help you out so much more when you're in the process of growing your business. If you're interested in these types of videos and in learning how to grow that business that you're starting with social media and make more money online, make sure to subscribe. So let's get started. When you're starting your online business, you don't want to get rush decisions and then invest a lot of money into something that will not work, or you won't know if it works. So these tips that I'm going to give you today are to make sure that when you're starting an online business, it will work out and it will bring you profit, so you won't lose the money that you're investing. First things first, you need to think about what type of business do you want to start. Do you want to sell physical products or digital products? Or do you want to sell services? So you need to think about, do you want to sell products or services? These are the two that you need to choose from, or you can obviously choose both. But you need to think about exactly what your business is going to offer your customers, the options that they're going to have on your website, and basically what is the value that you'll be providing to them? What is the solution to their problem? Is it through a service or through a product? Next thing, and very important, what will be your business's audience? Is it your audience that is going to be the same for your product because you're selling one product? Are you selling multiple products? And what is the audience for that product? What is the audience that you're targeting with that product? You cannot target everyone with a product, and you cannot target everyone with a service. This is just the way things go. So you need to think about a certain category of people that are going to be interested in purchasing your product or your services. So you really need to define that person or those people that will purchase that product or that service of yours, because this will help so much in marketing your business. This will help so much in promoting your business. So this is something that you need to decide from the beginning. Because let's say, for example, you want to create clothing and you want to manufacture them, you want to create them and all that. You need to know the first thing, are you going to target women, men, kids, or all of them? Are you going to target women with a lot of money or women that would want affordable products? Are you targeting women that go to the gym a lot? Are you targeting women that are stay-at-home moms? What is your target audience? You need to really think about that before starting your business. The third thing, what is your primary niche? What is the category of product or services you are selling? Obviously, you've chosen your target audience, but what is your niche products? Because you can be targeting, for example, you can be targeting women that are stay-at-home moms, but what is the niche that your products or services are going to be into? Is it clothing? Is it kids products? Is it cleaning products? You really need to focus on the niche of your business, and deciding that, again, will make things a lot clearer for you in the marketing of your products, in the creation of your products, and everything else. Once you've chosen a category for your business, it's going to be a lot easier for you to start creating your products or services. But remember, you can always add on and change these things. But to get a head start, a good head start for your business, you really need to decide these things in the first place. Once you have decided your niche that you want your business to be in, think about if you want to manufacture products or if you want to start selling services. Think about the investment that you're first making in your business. So write them down, write exactly the price that you're willing to invest. If you have a budget to invest, break it down to, this is my budget for marketing, this is my budget for website design, this is my budget for manufacturing the product. Think about how much would the label cost if you're manufacturing clothes, how much will shipping cost, how much will this cost, business cards, and everything else. Make a list that your business will need, and from the budget that you have to start your business, make sure that you have the money to invest in those things and some left. You never know when you will need extra money for a manufacturing business. You need some extra money to have there in case something happens, if you want a good head start for your business. Now, if you're thinking of selling services and you want to get this course and this course and this course for yourself to learn before starting that, again, make a list and write down everything that you want to invest in, and then later on you'll be able to see the profit that you made. You invested this much, but you made this much, and you'll be able to see your profit, and that will get you an even bigger boost in your business and more confidence. Next thing, obviously, deciding how much you're going to invest in fabric and everything else that you use for your products, for example. It will also help you decide the pricing of your products if you're selling products, and the pricing of your services if you gather a lot of knowledge. Breaking down exactly how much you're investing in this business in the first place will help you decide how to price your products. Obviously, pricing your products and your services also depends on your experience, on the marketing quality, how many people are attracted to your business, and of course the competition. So make sure to check out other products similar to yours and decide which is the best price for your product. Next thing, obviously you need to think about branding when you're creating your products as well, for packaging and everything else. But if you're selling services, for example, and you have the knowledge to be a Pinterest manager, for example, now you want to start your own website, you need to think about the branding of your website, your logo, your colors, the fonts you're going to be using on your website, the brand voice, and just everything that has to do with starting a brand and designing a website and everything else. So you'll need to really think this through, create a mood board using my template right here. You can get it for free in the description below, and make that as a point of reference for your brand, for your business. This will help you create your pin graphics, this will help you create your YouTube thumbnails and everything else that will help you promote your business. So creating a mood board is really important, a brand style guide for your business. I have this video right here to learn exactly how to do it if you're interested. Remember, your branding needs to be constant and it needs to be consistent if you want people to recognize your business and to think, okay, I saw this product somewhere. They will remember your brand, your business, and they will come back to you. So that's why branding is so important for a business. After deciding your branding, it is time to start a website for your business. Whether you're selling products, whether you're selling services, whether you're a plumber, you need a website. You need a website because that will make your business look a lot more professional. It will provide your clients all the details they need, a way to contact you, all the information they need without any fuss. So creating a website is very important for every business. It would also improve your chances at your business being found and getting more clients or more sales. If you need help with website design, check out my services below. And if you need help with the next step, which is promoting your business with social media, I can help with that as well. So the next step, promote your website and promote your products and your business so you can get your first clients and start making profit. Now, which social media accounts should you be starting for your business? Here are the ones that I suggest for every single business. Instagram and Facebook, obviously you need to tie those together to create a shop and everything else. Pinterest is also really important. YouTube, and newly TikTok. Yes, you can find very creative ways to promote your business on TikTok as well. And on YouTube, you don't have to have 1 million subscribers to get clients from YouTube, to get people interested in your business with YouTube videos. They can be short videos, they can be longer videos. What's important is that you optimize them right for people to actually find them, and you can add them on YouTube to then add them to your website if you want, but it's important for them to be on this platform because it can get you viewers and clients. So if you want to learn more about creating a YouTube channel for your business and basically promoting your services or products with YouTube, you can check out my channel. I teach you everything you need to know about YouTube. I share secrets on my income from YouTube and everything else that I did to grow my channel and that I continuously do to grow it every day. So there you go. These are the things that you need to think of when you're starting a brand, when you're starting a business. And again, it is really important for you to think of these before actually starting that business. It will save you a lot of time and effort. If you're interested in working with me for growing your online business, my social media services are down below, website design and everything else, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I hope this video was helpful for you in understanding everything you need to know about a business before starting it. If it did, make sure to subscribe down below and also give this video a like. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at lydia.incomingsuccess for more informational videos on growing your social media and just making more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.